In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links and buttons for your Squarespace page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop a button onto your page and connect it to any link you want, whether it's another page on your site, an external URL, or a specific resource your visitors need. Start by opening your page in the Squarespace editor so you can see your content areas. When you're ready to place a call to action, move your cursor to the spot where you want it to appear and click Add Block. Blocks are the building pieces of your page, things like text, images, and in this case, a button. Choosing the right spot matters. Place your button near related content so the action feels natural, like under a service description or beside a product highlight. From the block menu, select Button. A new button will appear on your page, usually with placeholder text. This is the visual element people will click, so think about how it fits into your layout. Keep it above the fold for key actions or repeat it lower on the page if your visitors need more context before taking action. Next, attach the actual destination to that button. Click the link icon associated with the button. You'll find it right on the button's control bar or inside the button settings, depending on your template. That link icon opens the field where you define exactly where your visitors go after they click. Now, paste the link. This can be a full web address, like a product page or booking link, or a path to another page on your own site. Make sure your URL is complete and uses HTTPS so it's secure and reliable. If you're pointing to something within your site, start typing its name. Squarespace often suggests existing pages to keep everything consistent. Keep your button label short and action-oriented, like Book Now, Learn More, or Get Started, so people immediately understand what will happen next. Take a quick moment to check the link you added and confirm it's correct. Typos are common and easy to miss. If the button is important to your sales or signups, consider using clear, high contrast colors and enough padding so it's easy to tap on mobile. Also, use descriptive text for accessibility. A clear label helps everyone, including screen reader users, understand the action. That's it, you added a button block, opened the link controls with the link icon, and pasted your link. Use this same flow anywhere on your site to guide visitors to the pages and actions that matter most.